Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the low poly toaster tutorial with the bread, and down here you can see my commands that I will be typing. So let's start by deleting everything and adding a cube. We're going to scale this cube in the X, and then we're going to click Ctrl A and scale. Now we're going to bevel this. The scaling we did, we applied a scale, so the bevel would be the same in all directions. Okay, let's shade smooth this, shade auto smooth, and let's start right here. Let's make the little hole where so let's scale this down. I inserted it, I'm gonna scale it down on the y-axis. This is where the little pin will go that you push down in the toaster. I'm gonna extrude these inwards, and we're going to go into edge mode, select those, and then Control B, and we're gonna bevel this too. We're gonna scroll down so we don't have that many bevels. 2 is fine. Alright. Now let's make the top 2 holes right here. I'm going to scale these in the Y a bit, so they're a bit more separated. Maybe not that much, a bit less, there we go. So now Control R again. We're going to split them again in the middle. 3 is enough, and we're going to select these middle 2 right here. Control B, and we're going to bevel. Scroll down so we only have 1 bevel per side. We're going to select these middle faces and extrude this downwards. Alright, edge mode. Then we're going to select this outer edge, and we're going to bevel it. With that, it looks good. Alright, let's make the little legs. So we will select these 4 faces, extrude them downwards, and then Control B, and we will bevel these. Gonna do a double bevel by scrolling our mouse wheel, and there we go. Looks good. Now let's add the pin. So we'll add a cube, scale it down, scale it in the Y, scale it down even more. Let's bring it right here, right? And let's bevel this cube and shade auto smooth. Alright, now let's add a cylinder. Rotate X90. We will grab it, scale it down, scale it in the Y even more down, place it there, move it, let's put it like right here, scale it up a bit, scale it down on the Y even a bit more. Alright, looks good. Let's do bevel the top face of it. Control B. That looks good. And shade auto smooth as usual. Alright, let's make the toasts. So we will start with a plane. We're going to click slash so we can just work on this plane. Then let's extrude this upwards in the Y, and we will scale this up. We will select this middle one, and we will scale this in the X-axis up. Now we're going to add a subdivision surface modifier. Alright, and let's extrude this part down. And over here, this one, we're gonna scale this up even more in the X. Let's add a loop cut right there. We'll scale down. Alright, it's starting to look like a toast. Scale this down right here a bit more. Alright, let's apply in object mode, apply the modifier, and now we extrude upwards. And let's shade auto smooth again. These edges right here are not smooth, so I will select these two and bevel them with one bevel. Okay, there we go. Now the toast, I'm just going to select all of the top faces, all of these, without these. All right, now I'm going to insert just a bit and extrude inwards like that. All right, we can get everything, scale this down, or X90, bring it up there. Let's scale it up a bit. Let's duplicate, oh wait, first let's put it in the correct position, and then we will duplicate it in UI, Shift D. All right, looks good. Let's make this one a bit lower to give the effect of, that they're not perfect. Let's start the coloring. So we will go to the shading preview. All right, so once you are in the shading preview, you want to select the toaster, and we will add a creamy color to it. All right, so we're going to click on the white, and we are going to make it a cream color, like a bright yellowish, orangish color like that. Then the pin and the circle cylinder right there, these are going to be a orange. All right, same for the pin right there. We're going to go back to the toaster, and we're going to go into face mode, select the faces inside, and we will add a black color with a pretty high roughness. All right, same for these inside faces right here. Let's make it even darker. Here we go. Now let's do the toasts, and we will add a material which will be a orange brownish color. Right? And then the inside of the face, we will make it a white, a bit creamy white. Yeah, that looks good. Same thing right here. So actually, we're just gonna duplicate this one instead, and let's move this one a bit there. And there we go. We have our toasts and our toaster, low poly model. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you liked the video. Bye.